Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy gold in the Moomoo app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the Moomoo app, log in or create an account. Then once you're here, you'll be taken to the watch list page. And now the best way to buy gold, once you're at the watch list, click on the search button on the top right. And now some of the popular gold ETFs available on Moomoo include SPDR Gold Shares, SPDR Gold Mini Share Trust, and iShare Gold Trust. So for example, if I want to purchase some SDR Gold Share, I'm just going to type that in. Here it is here, SPDR Gold ETF. Now we can see the price of it. So now, like as I said, this is one of the most liquid gold ETFs inside Moomoo. So each share represents approximately 1/10 of an ounce of gold bullion. So now if I want to go ahead and purchase this, I'm going to go down the bottom and click on trade. And then I want to click on buy. And then we've got the buy page here where we can select the session, the order type, limit, the price we want to pay, the quantity, and then the amount that that's going to come to, and then click on the buy button. Then once you hit buy, if it's got a lock on there, you've got to unlock your app using your password, 6-digit password. So let's say I want to buy one quantity of this. I'm going to click on buy, and then I'm going to click on don't show this message again, or I can leave that unchecked, and then click on confirm. But you need to make sure you got enough money to purchase gold. So if you're not sure how to deposit money into your Moomoo account, I will leave a link in the description below where you can see how to deposit money into Moomoo.